Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will tell you how wonderful and amazing God's creation is. Just take a moment and look around. Be still. In a world that moves too fast, God whispers through His creation, through the trees that stand tall, rooted deeply in the earth, stretching their hands towards the sky, silently praising their Maker. Every tree you see was spoken into existence by God's word, not in noise, not in chaos, but in perfect order and wisdom. The mountains rise with strength and patience, reminding us that God is unshakable. They have stood for generations, watching time pass, watching lives come and go, yet they remain firm, calm, and faithful, just like God's promises. In this video, listen to the water flowing from the forest. It does not struggle. You can also see that it does not fear the journey. It simply moves, trusting the path God has set for it. The water teaches us to flow with faith, to move forward even when we don't see the end, to trust that God is leading us somewhere good. The forest breathes life into the earth. Every leaf, every branch, every hidden root works together in harmony. No confusion, no competition, just purpose. God created nature to remind us that we are not alone, that even in silence, He is present. Even when words fail, His creation still speaks. The wind moves through the trees like soft hymn. The light touches the mountains like a blessing. The water reflects the sky like a mirror of heaven. All of it is declaring one truth, that God is here. Sometimes we search for God in noise, in crowds, in endless worries. But God invites us to slow down, to breathe, to observe, to remember. Remember that the same God who created the oceans also knows your name. The same God who shaped the mountains also shaped your destiny. If God can care for trees of the forest, if He can guide the rivers to the sea, then surely He is taking care of you. That's for sure. That is why we all should trust the process of God in our life. Even when we feel like prayers has not been answered, God is still working. Subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you.